this video we continue on this thematic guides, render text and formula, discuss text without LaTeX, and show you and demo how to setting line space. So you can see these, in fact, are just the two, the text, and one text is we have the bigger line space than another one. It's not used the way that we learned before, like you can put this hello upper somewhere and left some unit, and use the word is next to hello and down 2 unit. So that is the way we already learned, but since they are text, we treat them as a string, and we can manage like our paragraph or documents, manage their line spacing. So that is our more convenient way that you can arrange those distance between two lines. So let's do this quick one. So that is if I go to our mind map. So I hope you have the free plan. I mentioned this earlier quite many times. Then you can have days dynamically put in here. At the same time, I'm keeping export this map to this Manim markdown. I think as I save that here. Then you will also have our this. Let me push that to online, and let's see. So before we go to that quick demo, let me weave our contents into the GitHub. So I move that here. The repository is under Python, so my Manim is just one branch or one folder of that. Within here, you can see this is the mind map file using free plan. Uh, you cannot open that because it's just some source code. You need to clone or either fork this repository then from your local with a free plan, then you can open this. But if you don't have a free plan yet, here is the markdown. I just export updated one. It's refer from this mind map. It's not like our tree structure, but they have the hierarchical, like a semantic mind is a guide. When we have those, let me see the text, render text and formula, and if we go to the settings slant, use color, use gradient, which were our last videos, and today is this one. But you can only see some the contents in text. Like is if I add our this icon is not showing here. But if I have some the link, that link is can be seen here from our refer. So let me see where I have the link. Yeah, like is this animation. So here. So animation, so here mentioned is you can see also from 01 animation, but that is not the too much useful because within Markdown you cannot jump. They don't have the hyperlink. But from the our mind map is you can right click and jump to this another one. So that is the different part, but I hope you can choose your preferred way. So I will keep updating this mind map. With that is for this line spacing, we will use this method line underscore spacing. So now we have this 10. So let me create a new folder, 2.3 underscore 1 underscore 10. And I put a new file, line spacing py. So from Manim, import everything and class line spacing and def construct self. And we will create Let's use text 1, text 2. So T1 is text hello. So we know we can use this /n to make our different part. So if we don't do that, is T2 equal to text hello world. So they will be same. Let's render this first. So cd what's our name? So line spacing. I have didn't do that here, so it just make those wrong. Let me add them. So here you can see our interesting part is we don't use this up down. So here is empty. That is correct because I haven't used add. Instead of we use A and B is next to A, or A is move up or move to, we can make them group. So group T1, T2. And then we use this arrange method. So arrange from left buff equal to 5. That gave us a way we can arrange them from the left to right and with a certain space in the middle. So you can see that is two same one. Now what I will do is we can starting to have this line spacing. So first A is 1 and line spacing equal to 5. The another thing is you need to be patient is attention to is T1, T2. Actually, the right one is T1, left one is T2. When we have this bigger spacing, you will see that is the T2 is uh, to have this the bigger one. So this one is just spacing is 1, so that is T1, this is T2. So T2 is arrange left buffer, so that means is T, you have first is a group of them, and then this you have them arranged, and T2 is the left to T1. So maybe let me put that here. If I don't make any arrange, I just put them T1 and T2, what will be looks like. So they is quite nice. Is are make them group is I suppose this one is T1, this one is T2. So to ensure is because this we have this line. So I think it's a font color equal to red. Now let's see what's the difference. So T1 small spacing with the right color. Oh, font. Oh, font size. I think is we should just use color. While you use more and more Manim, you may get familiar with those methods. So now is you can see it clear. So in the middle, these two lines are T1. They have the line spacing 1, and this T2. But it's lucky we use the 5. But if you don't use the 5, you just use 3. I believe is that will be overlapping. So let me close that and have another testing. Because you don't put them left and left to right. So that is the effect for this arrange means. So now you can see, so it's starting to make them more closer. So if I put this to 2, then you will see quickly. So for that, then I will restore to this arrange. And I will not make them buff so much. Then you will see here. So now I should see them overlapping. Let's make them here. I just want to put this buff is maybe 2.5, not so many. Oh, not this one. So let me close that. It's here. Then we arrange that in the left and right orientation. So you may see they are starting to have the different. So even this in this vertical, they are overlapping, but through this group, and then this we make the arrange. You can see them like this way. So with that is we introduce this line spacing. So I hope is you can have this long sentence, then you can make that looks better in the canvas space. Next one we will discuss is how to disable this ligature. So ligature means like this. So we will compare this a little bit more detail. So see you then in the next video. Bye for now.